Welcome to this video. Today we're going to explain in a simple way everything that can be built using Atomicals on Bitcoin. Many people still believe Bitcoin is only useful for sending and storing money, but Atomicals changes that completely. Atomicals turns Bitcoin into a platform where you can build, not just transact. With Atomicals, you can create digital assets and NFTs directly on Bitcoin. These can represent art, collectibles, identities, in-game items, or ownership of digital content. Unlike NFTs on other blockchains, Atomicals NFTs live natively on Bitcoin. They do not rely on external servers or other chains. They inherit Bitcoin's security, permanence, and decentralization. It is also possible to create ERC20 tokens using real Satoshis. These tokens exist directly on Bitcoin and can be used to build digital economies, community tokens, in-game currencies, reward systems, memberships, and access rights. There are no stablecoins. There are no external tokens. Everything operates purely with Bitcoin. One of the most powerful use cases of Atomicals is gaming. Developers can build games where items, characters, skins, weapons, or currencies are native Bitcoin assets. This means players truly own what they earn. Games stop being closed systems and become open economies. Atomicals also enables the creation of metaverses and virtual worlds on Bitcoin. Digital land, avatars, items, identities, and currencies can exist as Atomicals assets. Ownership is enforced by Bitcoin, not by a company. In addition, Atomicals makes decentralized web hosting possible. Websites and pages can be created without relying on traditional servers and cannot be taken down by governments or companies. Beyond websites, Atomicals allows permanent data and record storage. Documents, identities, licenses, certificates, and historical information can live directly on Bitcoin. This data is immutable. Once written, it cannot be modified or deleted. Decentralized applications can also be built. Voting systems, governance tools, registries, and marketplaces that operate without central control. One of the most advanced use cases is artificial intelligence. With Atomicals, AI data and logic can be stored directly on Bitcoin, without centralized servers. With platforms like BitMeta, these models can run in the browser and be trained by the community. Everything built with Atomicals operates peer-to-peer. There are no intermediaries. There are no custodians. There are no centralized platforms. This aligns with Satoshi Nakamoto's original vision, a decentralized system controlled by its own users. Atomicals transforms Bitcoin from a passive store of value into an active platform for creation. Bitcoin is no longer just something you hold. It becomes something you build on.